Hello, hi everyone. This is Dr. Sana Khan, your biology expert, and you're watching my channel NEET Biology Unplugged. I hope you all are liking the MCQs which I'm uploading. I know I'm not uploading many videos nowadays, explanation videos, because I feel that this is a time where most of the children are actually revising their chapters and they need more of one-shot revision lectures instead of going with a topic wise. So on the back end, I'm preparing certain notes which will help you for your one-shot revision. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started with today's video, which is going to be on acquired immunity and its unique feature. I've already uploaded about innate immunity, so if you haven't seen, please go to the channel and do watch it and like it and subscribe it if you haven't subscribed till yet, and share it with your friends as much as you can and support to my channel. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started and talk about acquired immunity and its unique feature. See, we already studied that immunity are of two types, right? First one was innate immunity, which develops since birth. And the second one is acquired immunity, which develops after birth, right? इतना याद है सबको? Okay, I think बहुत quickly फटाफट से बहुत कुछ बोल दिया ना मैंने. Okay, so अभी don't worry, अभी lecture फटाफट से नहीं होगा. Lecture slow ही जाएगा. So acquired immunity वो immunity होती है जो after birth develop होती है, right? जब body exposed होती है to certain antigens, उसके वजह से हमारी बॉडी में एक रेस्पॉन्स होता है which is called as immune response, right? And what is that response? The body produces what? It produces antibodies, right? So that is called as acquired immunity, where an antigen goes inside our body and our immune cells produces antibody. We'll be having a detailed lecture on immune cells. So acquired immunity involves specific cells and formation of antibodies. So acquired immunity, where we are going to talk about the cells and we are going to talk about the formation of antibodies which takes place in our body in response to antigen. Okay, so whenever antigen goes inside, body cells produce antibodies, which takes around several days to become activated. Okay, so now let us see what are the unique features of acquired immunity. So the first one is specificity. What is the first one? Specificity. So specificity is ability to differentiate various foreign molecules. So there are n number of foreign molecules. Yes or no? हजारों millions of microorganism है हमारे बाजू में. क्या हर एक के लिए एक ही एंटीबॉडी होगी? Obviously no. तो antibodies have to be very specific, correct? So our body should be able to differentiate that which molecule, which foreign agent has gone inside the body, because accordingly only he will produce the antibody. Yes or no? So specificity is one of the very unique feature, that is ability to differentiate various foreign molecules. So let us see an example. So there are three antigen A, B and C. Okay, so these are the identification markers which I talked about in one of the lectures. So our immune cell is going to produce antibodies according to the antigen. So only this shape of antibody is fitting to this antigen, while rest is not showing a lock and key mechanism. Understood? So specificity means ability to differentiate various foreign molecules. So body has to recognize the foreign molecule and accordingly it has to produce antibody. So antibodies are very specific for each type of pathogen. Is it clear? Okay. So now let us go to the next one, that is diversity. So what is diversity? It is an ability of our body to recognize a vast variety of pathogen. बहुत सारे pathogen है, बहुत सारे foreign molecule है, तो सबको recognize करना. That is one of the also unique feature of acquired immunity. So same example, antigen आया है, antibody produce हुई है. So our body, when recognizes a vast variety of diverse pathogen and produces antibody, that is called as diversity. Sorry. I don't know why this circle is there on the screen. Sorry for that. Everybody is not well. In Mumbai, the viral is going so badly. Even I am being affected. So that is the reason why I'm coughing. Okay, sorry for that. So So next feature is discrimination. Discrimination between self and non-self. Because I've already talked about it that if our own body cells destroy our own body cell, then it will lead to a disease called as what? Autoimmune disease. So in order to prevent that, it should be able to recognize between our own body cell and something which is coming from outside, that is foreign agent. So the identification markers helps our immune cells to recognize it. So this is the own cell, this is the foreign cell which you can see. So the own cell and the immune cell will have the same identification markers by which the immune cell will be able to recognize कि ठीक है ये हमारे body का cell है. Okay, so the next characteristic is discrimination. Now coming to the last one, that is memory. Very important. Yes or no, exams are coming. ऐसा लग रहा है यार एग्जाम आ रहा है हमको सब कुछ याद है कि नहीं है. So उसके लिए क्या करना है? रिविजन. जितना ज्यादा रिविजन करोगे उतना ज्यादा आपको याद रहेगा. ठीक है. Still lot of time. 6 महीने है अभी भी नीट कवर अप करने के लिए. Okay, and I'm daily uploading MCQs. The only reason of uploading MCQs haywire is जो भी बच्चे 12th के हैं एटलीस्ट दे विल कम टू नो कि ओके मुझे ये वाला एमसीक्यू की टॉपिक आती है कि नहीं आती है. अगर नहीं आती है तो दिस इज अ टाइम वेयर यू कैन गो एंड डोंट वरी. आई एम गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर अ लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ एमसीक्यूज ऑन द टॉपिक वाइज, okay, which will be coming on February and March during your exam time. That time you can revise with me. I am now preparing for one shot revision for few chapters which are very difficult for you to grasp. I know that. Okay, like first like kingdom plante, morphology, strategies, जहाँ पर बहुत सारे examples होते हैं, we get confused. So for that I'm preparing certain notes which I'll be giving it to you. ठीक है, which I'll be directly giving it to you, which you can study and prepare for your exams. ठीक है. So now coming to the last characteristic, that is memory. So our immune cell during the first encounter, that immune response get generated. मतलब जब first time pathogen अंदर आता है तो immune cell produce करता है antibody. So that's the first encounter जब हमारे body में pathogen आया है. And it also eliminate. Okay, it also eliminate that pathogen. But this response is very slow and weak. It takes several days for the antibodies to get formed and to kill that pathogen. So that is the case in the first encounter. But it tries to retain that memory कि यही पैथोजन पहले आया था, तो आगे जब कभी भी ये पैथोजन आएगा तो I have to be quick and produce good antibodies. फटाफट से have to produce the antibodies so that the pathogen doesn't harm me. Okay, so that is why it retains the memory for in the first encounter about that pathogen. And when the pathogen comes for the second time, immune cell already has a memory. Yes or no? It is already present there. So immune cell quickly produces antibodies and antigen is killed. Understood? So let us just revise the unique features of acquired immunity. The first one is specificity, that is ability to differentiate various foreign molecules. Diversity, that is to recognize a vast variety of diverse pathogens. Discrimination, that is between self and non-self. And memory is to store the memory of the pathogen so that the second encounter could be quick and good. So the most peculiar characteristic of immune cell is to differentiate between self and non-self. And apart from that, the second one is possess immunological memory. So that's all about the acquired immunity. Okay, we have just talked very small part in this video. Actually, because of coughing, I'm not shooting up the big videos because it's going to create a problem when you listen. I can understand that. So that is why I'm now more uploading the MCQ so that at least you can practice that. So that's all about the acquired immunity and unique feature. If you have understood and if you're liking my video, please do like the channel and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends as much as you can. I'll meet you soon with the next video. And if you want anything to come up on my channel, please do write it in the comment box. Bye. Take care. Study hard. Go for your dreams. I'll meet you soon. Bye.